What is up, and welcome to a new Alan Vlogs. Make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. Today I'm joined by Cooper, as you can hear in the background. We are going for a walk up the mountain. He's looking out the window. I'm also joined by Hannah. We are going to walk up Feed Mountain. If you remember Feed Mountain, it is actually in one of the first original vlogs that I did. So with the parameters of where you can go opened up a wee bit more. This is the second time we've been up here. We went for a walk with Mum the other day. Oh, Cooper's going for a run. So we went up here with Mum the other day, but we're taking Cooper today. And yous are welcome to join us. So let's get to it. As I said before, last time we walked up Feed, it's one of the beautiful things about this country that you can go. What's he doing?
Get out of it.
Cooper has a habit of disappearing into bushes. Last time we took him up a mountain, he got a scent, obviously, was sniffing around a tree, and then the ground wasn't there where he thought it was going to be, and he fell down half the side of the mountain. It took a half an hour for us to find him in the mountain, so we're keeping an eye on him. But as I was saying, I think I said it in the last vlog that we did when I walked up here, this country has some beautiful walks that you can go and get some clear headspace. Isn't that right, Hannah?
Yep.
So
come on.
It's supposed to be a relaxing walk, Hannah.
Come on.
The viewers aren't going to be happy with this. But yeah, definitely, I know probably the majority of my viewers are in Dundalk, so find a beautiful walk. If you're thinking about this one here, Feed, take the turn for Ravensdale there at the Ballymac roundabout. Keep on that road until you pass the Sportsman's, and then it's the next left across the motorway and 30 seconds on that road, and then there's a little turn-in path, and park the car there. It's a 7.4 kilometre walk and it's perfect. And Hannah's after realising she forgot to turn on her Fitbit again, because the last time we came up here she forgot to do it and just went by steps, so she forgot to do it again. It's alright, you only missed 0.6 of a kilometre. So yeah, come with your friends, family, but I would recommend it. Boop. So there's a part in the walk here, I'll show you the first. So all the trees, as you can see, have been like chopped down and just left lying here. And for the life of us, we can't think of the reason. Like, there's no evidence of like a fire, there's nothing built here that like they could be chopped down for. But for the life of us, we have no idea. The only one that we could think of was that they were chopped down in case like the ground was weak or something, that like maybe there was a potential like landslide or mudslide happening when it was raining bad. But even at that, like, that's a stretch. We've no idea why So if anyone has any idea of why, comment please, because it's wrecking our heads, we don't know why. But yeah, it's the only part of the walk where you're not surrounded by trees, so you get cool views like that one through the gaps in bigger trees. So there's massive trees and then all the smaller ones seem to be chopped down. So, but you do get nice views like that. But in terms of like the whole walk, it's the only part that's chopped down. It's not like they're doing a mass. It's not like they're taking down mass amount of trees. It's only this section. So if anyone has any idea why it could be, let me know please. It's wrecking my head. So once again, talking about how lucky we are. So we were saying that like if we were pretty much anywhere else in the world, like Canada, America. So if you're in Canada, if you go for a walk up a mountain, you're worried about bears. What else could you be worried about? Well, I don't know if Canada has snakes. I doubt they have snakes because their weather's quite cold too.
Like moose and stuff.
Moose, yeah, caribou. Caribou. But like if you're in like the likes of California there, you're worried about rattlesnakes, general snakes. That's snakes in general, not general snakes, because I never heard of a snake called a general snake. But you're worried about flipping mountain lions. You're definitely worried about jaguars. You know, like
wild dogs.
Wild dogs as well. Like there's a lot to worry about. Whereas in Ireland, you have to worry about the flipping flies flying into your mouth. Do you know, like
Nettles.
And nettles. That's it. Like, you know, we really do not realise how lucky we are, especially when we have nice weather. I know it's a bit overcast now, but it was 20 degrees when we got here. It feels like it's probably warmer now just because of the shelter of the trees. So we really do not realise how lucky we are and how easy it is for us to just go for a walk and not have to worry about potentially dying. So we are really lucky in that respect. So make sure you take advantage of it when you can. Yeah, feeling grateful today. I was putting up a Facebook status that Alan is feeling grateful today. So we're 5.4k into the walk. We're just after coming down along the motorway, and then there is this thing called the hill, which is about 200 meters, I would say, but that's only the start of it.
200 meters uphill.
Yeah, it's 200 meters, but at times it is like really steep. I've sprinted it once or twice, but it is a tough run. It's a very, very tough run, but it is a really good part of it. because it really does get your heart rate right up, and you feel like you've done a real workout at the end of this walk. So I'm gonna walk up it. It'll probably be time lapsed for you in the video. So just up the hill, about 5.64, so that's 240 meters of nearly, I'd say, what, about 30-40% incline. Well, it felt like it anyway.
What do you think?
Yeah, let him go in the water if you want. Poor dog's boiling.
Come back. Come on, Cup. Please, go away.
Come on, Cooper, we're not finished.
Come on, let's go. Come on.
Poor dog is boiling in the heat. But yeah, we're only, whenever you come up that hill, if you want to do another lap, if you remember at the start, we walked past here, it's in one of the earlier shots, and we went on up that road. So you went, see that road straight ahead, we're after coming up there. So we have 1.5 kilometers back to the car, and that's the walk done. You'll be in and around 7.4 kilometers, and you should have approximately, I would say, about 9,000 steps done, maybe a bit more, depending on your stride patterns. But yeah, it's a great walk, can't recommend it enough. We'll finish out with a wee time lapse. Thanks for watching Alan Vlogs. Subscribe down below, comment, share, make sure you like the video as well if you do like it. Until next time. What's up, guys? Thanks for taking time out of your day for watching my vlog. Make sure you like and subscribe. More content coming up. Boom.